Hello friends, let us have a sneak preview in-depth artificial intelligence in India. As you all know, it is a new technology and India is developing with it, which is an artificial intelligence. Let's see how we are heading. Artificial intelligence, that is AI, is a rapidly growing field in India with a number of companies and organizations investing in the development and implementation of AI technologies. Here are some key aspects of the AI landscape in India. Growth of the AI market. The AI market in India is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of around 36% between 2019 and 2025, reaching a market size of around 8 billion by 2025. This growth is being driven by increasing adoption of AI across industries such as healthcare, finance, and retail, as well as the rise of startups and technology companies focused on AI. Government initiatives. The Indian government has recognized the potential of AI to drive economic growth and has launched several initiatives to support the development of the industry. These include the National AI Strategy, which aims to position India as a global leader in AI research and development, and the AI for All program, which is focused on increasing awareness and education around AI among the general public. Startup and tech companies. India is a home to a growing number of startups and technology companies focused on AI, such as Haptic, Nikki AI, and Mad Street Den. These companies are developing innovative AI solutions across a range of industries, from customer service chatbot to fraud detection algorithms. Education and research. Indian universities and research institutions are also investing in AI research and education. For example, the Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT Delhi, has established a center for artificial intelligence and robotics, while the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore is home to the Robert Bosch Center for Data Science and AI. Challenges and opportunities are bound to be there. So, while the AI industry in India is growing rapidly, there are also challenges that are to be addressed, such as a shortage of skilled AI professionals and the need for greater collaborations between industry, government, and academia. However, the potential benefits of AI for India are significant, including increased productivity, improved healthcare outcomes, and enhanced economic competitiveness. In summary, the AI landscape in India is dynamic and rapidly evolving, with a growing number of companies, organizations, and government initiatives focused on the development and implementation of AI technologies. While there are challenges to be addressed, the potential benefit of AI for India are significant, and the country is well positioned to become a global leader in AI research and development. Applications of AI in India. AI has a wide range of applications across industries in India, such as healthcare, agriculture, education, and transportations. For example, AI powered healthcare solutions are being developed to improve diagnosis, treatment, and patient outcomes, while AI based precision agriculture are helping farmers improve crop yields and reduce waste. AI is also being used to personalize and improve education and to develop autonomous vehicles and smart transportation systems. Ethical and regulatory considerations. As AI technologies become more advanced and widespread, there are also important ethical and regulatory considerations to be addressed. These include concerns around bias and fairness in AI algorithm, privacy and data protection, and the potential impact of AI on jobs and society more broadly. In India, the government is working to develop a regulatory framework for AI that balances innovation and growth with ethical and social consideration. Collaborative ecosystem. The AI ecosystem in India is highly collaborative, with industry, academia, and government working together to drive innovations and growth. For example, the government has established several centers or excellence focused on AI research and development, and is also partnering with industry and academia to develop AI talents and infrastructure. Startup and tech companies are also collaborating with each other and with academic institutions to develop cutting edge AI solutions. In conclusion, the AI landscape in India is characterized by rapid growth, innovation, and collaboration. While there are challenges to be addressed, the potential benefits of AI for India are significant, and the country is well positioned to become a global leader in AI research, development, and implementation. With continued investment in talent, infrastructure, and regulatory framework, India can unlock the full potential of AI to drive economic growth, improve quality of life, and address some of the most pressing challenges facing society today. Key players in Indian AI market. India is a home to several major players in the global AI market, including multinational companies such as IBM, Microsoft, and Google, as well as domestic companies such as Tata Consulting Service, Infosys, and Wipro. These companies are investing heavily in AI research and development and are also partnering with startups and academic institutions to drive innovation and growth. Use cases. There are several use cases of AI in India that are worth mentioning. One such example is the use of AI in fraud reduction in banking sector, where machine learning algorithms are used to analyze transaction patterns and identify suspicious activity. Another example in the use of AI is improving customer service, where chatbots and virtual assistants are being developed to provide personalized and efficient customer support. AI is also being used to develop predictive maintenance solutions in the manufacturing sector and to improve traffic management in cities through the use of smart transportation systems. AI talent in India. India has a large and growing pool of AI talent, with several universities and research institutions offering courses and programs in AI and related fields. In addition, there are several AI focused training programs and boot camps that are aimed at upskill existing personals and equipping them with the skills needed to work in the AI industry. However, there are still a shortage of skilled AI professionals, and efforts are underway to address this through initiatives such as the National AI Portal, which provides training and education resources for AI professionals. Impact of job market. As with any disruptive technology, there are concerns about the impact of AI on the job market. While AI has the potential to create new jobs and increase productivity, it is also has the potential to automate and eliminate certain jobs. However, many experts believe that AI will create more jobs than it eliminates, particularly in the fields such as data analysis, software engineering, and AI research and development. Future outlook. The future of AI in India looks bright, with continued investment and innovation expected to drive growth and development in the industry. Some of the key areas of focus for the Indian AI market in the coming years include natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. As the technology continues to evolve, it is expected that AI will become an increasingly important driver of economic growth and development in India and around the world. In summary, the AI landscape in India is dynamic, growing, and collaborative, with a wide range of companies, organizations, and government initiatives focused on the development and implementation of AI technologies. While there are challenges to be addressed, The potential benefits of AI for India are significant, and the country is well positioned to become a global leader in AI research, development, and implementation. With continued investment in talent, infrastructure, and regulatory framework, India can unlock the full potential of AI to drive economic growth, improve quality of life, and address some of the most pressing challenges facing society today. Challenges and concerns. While the future of AI India look promising, there are also several challenges and concerns that must be addressed. One of the main challenges is lack of data privacy and security laws, which could lead to the misuse of personal data and privacy violation. Another concern is the potential bias in AI algorithms, which could perpetuate social and economic inequality. In addition, there are concerns about the ethical implications of AI, particularly in the areas such as autonomous weapon and surveillance. Regulatory framework. To address these challenges and concerns, the Indian government has developed a national AI strategy that includes plan for the development of regulatory framework for AI. The strategy also includes initiatives aimed at promoting responsible and ethical AI and ensuring that the benefit of AI are distributed equitably across society. The government has also established several regulatory bodies and advisory committees to oversee the development and implementation of AI technologies in India. In conclusion, the development and implementation of AI technologies in India has the potential to drive significant economic growth, improve quality of life, and address some of the most pressing challenges facing society today. However, to fully realize these benefits, it is important to address the challenges and concerns associated with AI and to develop a robust regulatory framework that promotes responsible and ethical AI. With continued investment and collaboration between government, industry, and academia, India is well positioned to become a global leader in AI research, development, and implementation. Thank you.